Prawns can be grilled over medium heat, giving them a smoky, char-grilled flavour. This is a great option for larger grades of king, tiger, and endeavour prawns in particular. Prawns can be roasted in the oven, either on a baking sheet or in a roasting pan. Roasting prawns with a light coating of oil and seasonings creates a crispy, flavourful exterior. Roasting suits larger grades of tiger, king, endeavour, and banana prawns. Stir-frying suits both whole, cutlets, meat, and broken prawns. Care should be taken with the high heat and rapid cooking of this method. All prawn species are great for stir-frying, the sweetness of the banana prawns and the savoury character of the endeavour prawn suiting different sauces and dressings. Poaching prawns in a flavourful broth, court bouillon or butter is a gentle cooking method that results in succulent, tender prawn meat. Banana, king, tiger and endeavour prawns are all excellent prepared this way. Boiling prawns in salted water is a simple and quick way to cook them, especially when they are to be served cold, such as in a seafood platter or salad. A salt and pepper coating is ideal for ensuring a crispy shell, which with smaller prawns, especially school prawns, allows them to be eaten whole.